These are the products I'll be using today. Let me see if I can. Oh, no. Okay, guys, I did this style last year, but I'm not sure if I. Do you think I actually have it again in me? Ooh. Alright, so I'm going to add some oils to my fingernails because I think they're kind of. I don't have any gloves. So, yeah. So, I'm starting with the first piece at the back. It's basically almost like a wash and go look, and I'm going in really small sections. So, this is it. Hoping this is really small.
I got plenty of ambition, you should never try to sleep on me. Cause I won't stop until I'm securing the victory. Wake up in the morning with that positive energy.
I'm still using my rosemary tea until I get my desired results for my 1 month project. I'm starting off by using Alodia Hair Care's Moisturize and Strengthen Curl Enhancing Buttercream. I'm only using a small amount. I apply it to the palm of my hand, rub it together, then apply to each section using both the prayer hand method as well as the raking method. I then apply the Alodia Hair Care's Moisturize and Define Curling Cream Gel using both the prayer hand method as well as the raking method. The raking method is my way of shingling each strand of curls. But trust me, I don't think I've ever loved any other gel like this gel from Alodia Hair Care. Hopefully I remember to put that in. It's really nice and it's lightweight. It doesn't weigh on your hair, guys. And once you use it with the cream, hopefully I remember this part. Once you used the gel with the cream, or well, as stated on the cream jar, it is best to use. You get the best definition, best wash and goes once you use this underneath this. So you apply this first, then this. Great definition, long-lasting curls. Trust me, guys. It doesn't disappoint. You won't be disappointed. So I'm going to just show you guys the front. Right, guys, y'all see the texture. And then because I keep coming close up to the camera, when I know I'm going to eventually just cut off most of, I'm going to crop it so when I come close up. But I want to see the close up, that's it, guys. Two pumps each. 2 pumps for each curl this time. My gel is basically finished and I don't want it to finish on me and not finish this curl, this look. Also, once you apply the gel, it's almost like it just shingles the hair itself. Y'all know what that means? My gel is finishing. And my hair isn't finished. It's not gonna play like that. Cause this gel, I ain't gonna be able to do half hair with this great gel and then half with some. Well, I don't use wax gels, but you know, some of them just. This one is just perfect for this style. Very lightweight. Definitely have to get myself one of these gels. Y'all see that curls? Yeah. Okay, so this is how it's looking. You know, this isn't so bad. Alright, so let's come over this side. Can I just leave this little thing right here? Nah, that doesn't look so appropriate now, does it? I'm gonna just do this part off camera and come back. Bye guys. So now we're now approaching this little piece right here and see what style I can get with it, and then of course girl. So hoping that my camera is focused. Okay. Sorry guys, I didn't, generally oil your elastic bands. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead after play it safe, and I'm going to go So what I did for the front was I did 2 flat twists and joined them together. It wasn't what I was going for, but yeah, I worked with it. I'm hoping it actually looks good, guys. If not, you'll see that I changed it. That's if it doesn't look good. But if it does, it's gonna stay. Alright, yeah. So, this is it, guys, and I will post. You'll see how it looks at the end as well as in the beginning. Have a great day, and I am loving it. Loving it. Yeah, you guys will see some previews of them girls. Bye guys, have a good one.